Hi you guys, so today I got some new mail, some plant mail obviously, and it's from Ecuagenera. So this is the second time I've ordered from them, and so far I've had like an okay experience. The first plants that I got from them, they were all philodendrons, I believe, yes, and some of them, they don't look the prettiest, but like they're alive, you know, all of them are alive, and I'm rehabbing some of them. And basically I just wanted to give them another shot because I wanted to see how their anthuriums were gonna do, because you know I've actually never had an anthurium from them. Like I only have a clarinervium, but like I want more, and they're so expensive. So I was just like, you know what, if I'm gonna have one, I might as well just like get one imported, and maybe like, yes, it's not gonna be as big, but it might turn out to be like that in the future, and it's just a lot cheaper. Like I'd rather pay $50 for something that has like a great chance of making it, rather than $250, you know, of something that's gonna be good. But it's just like money wise, I'm just like not gonna drop $250 for a plant, like ever. No, I mean, no disrespect to anyone who does, because you know I get it. Like if you do you, basically, is all I'm saying. But I just, not yet. At least I'm not there. And maybe I would in the future, but like, you know, I need to win the lottery or something for that to happen. But anyways, so this is the plant order. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plants in total, and 3 of them are anthuriums, and then 2 of them are philodendrons. So now they're using some fancy paper. Before they didn't have that. Okay, so here's the first one. Okay, let's see what this is. Okay, I'm not like, wow, this one's big. This is the Philodendron Ploumani. So I hope I'm saying that right. Ploumani. Yeah, Ploumani. I don't know. There is one yellow leaf, but the leaves, whoa. Okay, look at that. Dude, this is really, really good. There's that yellow leaf, but that's expected. And there's some new growth right here, right behind this one. But this is actually pretty good. Whoa. Okay, I'm not gonna look at the roots right now, but I'll show you that maybe in the end. I just want to show you the plants. So yeah, this was the Philodendron Ploumani, or do some people say Ploumani, you know, because like with the Veitchii they say that, but I don't know, I would just say Ploumani. Anyways, here's a different one. This one seems small. This is an Anthurium forgetii, the white striped ones. Okay. Ooh, I'm so excited for all of these. Like I'm so excited for plant mail. Plant mail is the best mail. It's so pretty. Whoa. Okay. Ooh, okay, this bag was kind of ripped. Oh, well, yeah, it's, of course it is, yeah. Anyways, ooh, okay, it does have some damage right here, but that's like expected, you know. No leaf is ever gonna be perfect. It's so big. It's so big. Well, it's not like massive, but it's really, really big. And oh man, I wish they had the prices that I paid for each of them right here. But I'll tell you that this is nowhere $200. This is probably like $50 or $40. Wow. Wow. It's just so pretty. I cannot. Like, I just can't stop staring at it. I have one. I don't believe it. I just can't. So another thing about ordering from Ecuagenera is that from my first experience with them, with the philodendron that I purchased before, they all came out really, really small, and I just felt like it really wasn't worth it. But from what I've learned is like when you're gonna buy a plant from them, definitely read the reviews, and you will see like what type of sizes people are getting, because there are people who will say, oh yeah, I got a big one of this, like I didn't expect it. And usually that's when you want to buy that plant specifically, because the chances of getting a big one is like it's a lot higher. And here's another one. I think this is a philodendron. Yeah, this is the philodendron mommy. Wow, I just can't believe my eyes. Definitely worth importing. Like I am always gonna do that now because you know. Whoa, okay. Look, this one, the leaves are all folded up, right? But that's because, you know, male does that. But like, look at that. Wow. Look at this one. Wow, this one has 6 leaves. Next up, I have this, oh yeah, Anthurium crystallinum. I don't have one of these either, obviously, that's why I bought it. But like, you know, some people buy 2 of the same plant. Sometimes I do that. But the size is magnificent. Okay, hold up. Wow, I cannot. Is this real? Okay, yes, it is real. Look at this. I cannot believe what I'm seeing. Wow, this is so thick and like just so pretty. There is some damage, obviously, you know. I think this just happened during the trip because the cut looks fresh kind of. And but that's okay. I don't mind that. There is like some new growth happening right there, so that's fine. And dude, so worth it, so damn worth it. This here would go for like, oh my god, you already know, so crazy. I'm not even gonna go with US prices, but like I totally get it. People rehab these, people make them look so pretty and whatnot, so it's worth it. But then there are those who just want to scam people, and those are not the ones we really care about. Okay, yeah, so this is the last one. This is the Ethereum Magnificum. This one is like the one I was like most excited about. I am really looking forward to how this is gonna look. And in fact, this is one of my wish list plants. I just can't believe my eyes, ladies and gentlemen. It's so big already. All right, okay. I don't even want to like, you know, like hurt it, because like what if, like, oh my god. Okay, hold up, I need to stop. Just focus. I saved up for this order, by the way. Like, I just knew that I was gonna make a big purchase and I was gonna spend like, you know, around $200 on plants. So I planned for this. I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna buy plants this month that much because I need to save up for it, or I'm not gonna do, like, I don't even go out, to be honest. Like, all I do is just stay home, and I don't go out to eat, I don't go out to drink. I'm just home working, saving my money, paying my rent and paying my bills, and that's it. All of the rest that I have is for savings and for myself. Like, treat yourself, you know what I mean? And this is the way I treat myself, by buying plants. Okay, so this one, ooh, okay, hold up. Sorry, got excited. Okay, ooh, yeah. So this one, what the heck? Okay, this one lost a leaf. So yeah, there was a leaf here. It's not there. Yeah, there's no other leaf in here. But that doesn't matter. There is some new growth points happening. And I am gonna rehab all of these plants, obviously, but it's so big. Dude, you don't know. I'm so excited for this because these plants, they're just super expensive if you try to find them here in the US. Look at the size of this. Look at the size of this. I'm not, like, I told you, I've already ordered from Ecuagenera before, and my experience from like that time, the plants that I ordered were not that big. Like, they were like very wonky, and I still have them on sphagnum moss because they're like rehabbing and they're struggling, but like they're still alive. Don't get me wrong, they're still alive and they're giving me new growth, but they're not like this. When they first arrived, they did not look anywhere this big. I ordered these philodendrons myself. Dude, this is good. This is so good. I totally recommend you buy from Ecuagenera if you want to try importing plants, because, you know, like, it's a credible, I sound like I'm writing an English paper, credible resource. I don't know. Does not matter. They're credible and they're legit, basically, is what I'm trying to say. I just do recommend, again, look at the reviews. Look at the reviews of every single plant you're buying, and just constantly check their website, because, dude, I've been trying to find Anthuriums for the longest, and I've just been waiting. I'm like, I'm gonna find them on their website and they're gonna be really affordable, and I'm just gonna find them. And I did, and look at how big the leaves are, and that's what the review said. They have really big leaves. So, like, always read reviews. Always be patient when searching for a plant. That's the most important thing. Always be patient, because you're gonna find deals like this one, and you're gonna have the plant you really want. Anyways, that's it for today's unboxing. This is also one of my first unboxings. Well, I already recorded another unboxing, but whatever. Okay, so that's it for today's video. I'm gonna go put these plants in water, and I'm gonna leave them there for, you know, a day, because they've been traveling for more than 3 days in the box. So they need some water, they need some light, they need some humidity. So yeah, and then I'll repot them eventually when I see that they are doing okay. And that's that. I'm so excited. You have no idea. Okay, bye. Go buy some plants. Treat yourself.